Hello and welcome all. Today we will see the practice problems on orthographic projection. Now steps in drawing orthographic views has already been discussed in previous lecture. You can go through it. This is the first problem. So first of all we will give xy, then we will draw rectangles which are required size, total length, total width, total height. Then we will locate the position of O in all the views, front view, top view, side view. Now we will start with the 0 point and we'll start with the front view. So we have first drawn 47 on the left and 33 on the right. Now from this point we'll go on the right side of distance 14, then vertical downward of distance 8, then towards right having this distance of 16. Then since this vertical is not given directly, what we will do, we will lift this over here and then we will start with the O point in vertical direction. So first of all we'll draw 9, okay, and then we will project it horizontally, okay. Then the intersection of horizontal intersection and vertical intersection, that will give you the required point, okay. So after that we will draw this vertical height of 12, then we will join this and then we will go for remaining portion, that is this section. This completes the front view. Now we'll start with the side view. Here on the left hand side we have O point. First of all we will go 9 mm up above, then 12 mm on the right side, then again 12 mm vertical, then 10 mm horizontal, and then this total length is 34, total height is 33. We reach up to this point. Now this distance is given as 12, right? And then we will join this and this vertically, okay. So we will be drawing remaining portions now. So first of all we'll project height from the front view. So now we have drawn this section, and now this section. This completes the side view of this. Now in top view, first of all we will draw 12 mm and then we will project from the front view corresponding required rectangle. So currently we are drawing this part, then 10 mm. Now we have drawn this part. Now we have to draw this L section on the top. So this completes all the views. So ultimately this section is nothing but this rectangle, right? This completes the front view, top view and side view of this object. So after doing proper dimensioning, your problem or solution will look like this. Let us take another problem. So arrow is given in this direction, so appropriate side view will be left hand side view, which will appear on the right hand side of the front view. So we have identified the locations of views. Then we have drawn the boxes of required length and width and height. So since the drawing is symmetrical in front view, we will start with the front view. Now first of all we have drawn the base of 60. This height 5 mm is given over here. Then this section, since this will be seen in rectangle, so that's why this part is completed, that is the base part. Now we have to draw this portion which is away from the observer. Height of the center line is given here as 25. the semicircular portion, and there is a hole of 520 mm. So this hole is drawn. Now this completes the outline portion of the drawing. Now we will move on to draw outline portion of top view. So this curvature part has been drawn, then a circular hole of 520, similarly on the right side. So this completes the base. Now I have projected this circular portion on the top view. So this circular portion will be seen in as a rectangle in top view. Now we will move on to side view. We have projected the heights from the front view. So this portion will be visible in the side view, and hence this is that small rectangle of 5 mm by 40 mm. Okay. Now again, this is the second rectangle. This curvature portion will be seen as a rectangle in side view. Now again, this portion as well will be seen as a rectangle in side view. Now we will start with drawing hidden lines. Since this hole will not be seen in side view, I have drawn it hidden over here. Similarly here. Okay. Similarly, this hole cannot be seen in the top view, so that's why this hidden line and this hidden line. So if there is a hole, symmetrical hole, you have to give a center line over there. Now these two edges will not be visible from top direction, and hence that is to be drawn hidden. So I have drawn these two edges hidden. Similarly, this hole will not be seen in side view, these two holes. So these are drawn over here, right? Similarly, these two holes will not be visible in the front view, so that's why I have projected this upward. Okay, so you can see two hidden lines on one side and two hidden lines on the other side, followed by a center line. So finally, all the dimensions are placed. Okay, so this is the final solution of this problem. Neat and clean, nice. Let us move on to the third practice problem, in which the direction is given here for front view. So there will be involvement of a left hand side view in this case, which will appear on the right hand side. So same procedure will be followed. First of all, locate the front view, top view and side view positions. Then draw a required rectangle. For our assumption, we have assumed this as O point, and then you will locate the position of O in different views. So since in this there is no hidden surface in top view, and top view is giving the true shape of this inclined surface, so in this problem we'll be starting with top view. Okay, so for top view I have drawn this length. Okay, so this distance is given as 18 mm, so this is 18 mm. I have drawn the center line. Now this distance is 18, so 9 on one side and 9 on the other side, so that total distance will be 18. Now this distance is 12, this 18 minus 6, so this 12 mm here as well as 12 mm here. This completes this rectangle. And then we will draw the other part by observing the dimensions. Okay, so this is the portion which is drawn over here, correct, and this portion is drawn over here. Now we will move on to draw this part. So 7 is given over here, so this distance is 7 on both sides, top left, top bottom. Now we will, since the inclination is not given, we have to start with this end now. So for that I have marked this total 25 indicated by this orange line. Now after drawing that, I get the end point to this line. Now directly joining this point with this line will give you the slope. Okay. Now I am proceeding towards drawing this part. Now this section is at a distance of 18 mm. Okay, so I have drawn a line parallel at 18 mm distance. This is straight. Okay. Now next, these two holes will be visible of 5, 10, two holes from top direction. So these holes are drawn. Okay, so this completes the outline portion of our visible portion of top view. Now we will start with the front view. First of all, we'll go above 25 mm. So this is 25 mm. Then we will transfer all the points from top view. Right, so this height is given as 12 over here. Okay, so this completes the visible part of front view. Now we'll start with drawing visible portion of side view. Now we have taken this angle as 45°, right? Now we'll transfer all these points on the side view, so that you need not to measure it once again. And we are transferring heights from the front view. You can just see we have projected this portion, front portion, right, and then we have completed this portion. Okay, so this slant portion, I am just naming this one, second, third rectangle, then fourth rectangle and fifth rectangle. So this is the first rectangle, second rectangle, third, fourth and fifth section. Correct. Now we will be drawing this part, the above portion. It is very easy. Okay, so this completes the visible portion of side view as well. Now hidden lines. So since this edge will not be visible from front direction, I am projecting this edge above, and then I will be drawing hidden line over here in front view. Similarly, these two holes will not be visible from front direction. That's why I am projecting the end points of these two holes to front view, followed by a center line. Similarly, this edge will not be visible from the front direction, so that's why I have projected this edge, right, and it is drawn hidden in front view. Similarly, this horizontal portion will not be seen from this direction, and hence that is to be drawn hidden. For side view again, these two holes will not be visible, so this edge will not be visible in side view as well, so that is to be drawn hidden. So this is the edge. Similarly, the two holes will not be visible in the side view, which is to be drawn hidden. So now this second edge of the hole, this edge as well as this is getting overlapped, So that's why you are seeing here only one hidden line, but there is one hidden line behind this, right? But this is due to the overlapping zones. Similarly, there is no hidden line in top view, so hence the remaining part is only dimensioning. So we will distribute all the dimensions in different views. Okay, so this is the complete solution of this problem. I hope you have understood all the practice problems. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.